And just down now to our management team, from Eamon, our bus driver, Laura, our nutritionist, Paul, psychologist, Maven, Leah, who have their hands full as physios, Oral, our S&C, who's had us flying all year, Niall, who does amazing work as well for us, Noel, who did it in 2016, instilled loads of passion into us each game, Con, who always believed in us, knew that we would get here, Breen, our person, I suppose, put so much hours into this group, and especially to little Donegal, who was definitely the start of our journey. Barbara, our female liaison, who minds us like our mothers, and the main man, Johnny Doyle. There's two famous Johnny Doyles in Kildare, and this is our one here. The man just shows so much passion and love for this group. He was the reason that pushed us on today, and we're so happy we could do this for you. And finally, Diane. Look, bar the successful career that she's had, the work, the commitment, the effort and love she has shown us is unbelievable, and I am just so happy that we could stand here today and do this for you. Finally, to the most amazing group of girls, especially our injured few, Hazel, Roisin, Ciara and Amy, who unfortunately couldn't talk with us today. I'm just so happy for this group of players that we could come here today and do this. We've won the League, Leinster and the All-Ireland. These things don't happen often. So look, we're proud Lilies, we're going to senior. Let's see everybody back in Clane. Up the Lilies!
Up the Lilies and some like Grace Clifford agus Corn Cainachan, Very Quinn. Áhuirt síos an bóthar, achar gara síos an bóthar go Cill Dara agus siad Creach Idirmheánach na hÉireann buaite ag Cill Dara.